Fashion plays an important role in the life of every human being. It is an art and articulating the power of fashion into words can be challenging. Hello friends, I am Sheetal and welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. You may have got some clues about the topic I am going to talk about today. If not, let me clear you the mist. I am going to talk about ever-in-demand field that is fashion designing. In recent years, fashion design has grown in popularity not only in India but across the world and even in the third world countries. This is the reason that today's youth has started considering it as a career option, thereby increasing the demand for professionals who can design and produce new garments, dresses, attires, jewelry, and accessories to cater to the demands and preferences of fashioners from all walks of life. And one course that can help you enter the field with a bang is Bachelor of Science in Fashion Designing. So guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about this particular course. At the end of the video, you'll have answers to all of your burning questions like what exactly B.Sc Fashion Designing course is, what are the required eligibility conditions to join B.Sc Fashion Designing course, what are the skills required to do B.Sc Fashion Designing course, how to join B.Sc Fashion Designing course, which are the entrance exams that you may have to crack to get admission in B.Sc Designing course, what is the syllabus of B.Sc Fashion Designing course, what is the fee structure of B.Sc Fashion Designing course, which are the various government and private institutes offering B.Sc Fashion Designing course, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after completion of B.Sc Fashion Designing course, which are the top recruiters of B.Sc Fashion Designing holders, what is the expected salary or pay package after doing B.Sc Fashion Design degree, and much more. So guys, let us start with the very basic question, and that question is what exactly B.Sc Fashion Designing course is. Bachelor of Science in Fashion Design, better known as B.Sc Fashion Design, is a 3-year undergraduate course in fashion designing which is further spread over 6 semesters. B.Sc Fashion Designing covers the study of specialized field in the area of fashion design such as accessory and jewelry design, footwear design, garment design, interior design and leather design, etc. This B.Sc in Fashion Design course involves lesson in creating original designs of garments, footwear, jewelry, luggage, etc. with the aim of staying in line with the ever-challenging trends in the fashion industry. Now, when you are well aware of the course, you would definitely like to know about the required eligibility conditions to join B.Sc Fashion Designing course. So guys, if you want to take admission in B.Sc Fashion Design course, then you need to have to clear 12th class or equivalent in any stream from a recognized institute. However, some reputed fashion design institutes may also demand certain minimum percentage of marks at this level that can be anywhere between 45 to 55% depending upon the individual institute. Along with fulfilling these eligibility conditions, you must have certain set of skills to be able to do this 3-year B.Sc Fashion Designing course. The fashion industry is one such place where you can thrive if you have the right set of skills and creativity. To do this course successfully and become a professional in the field, you must have certain skills in order to validate. And the first and foremost skill is that you must have deep sense of prevailing fashion and interest in the field. Secondly, you should be a talented artist with a lot of imagination. Besides these, you should be able to think creatively, analytically and innovatively. Competitive and good observation skills are the other skills required to enter in the field of fashion designing. If you are really looking to do B.Sc in Fashion Designing course, then the knowledge of its admission process is a must. So as far as admission process of B.Sc Fashion Design course is concerned, it varies greatly from institute to institute and university to university. Some reputed design institutes provide admission to their B.Sc Design course on the basis of rank obtained in the institute, university or state level entrance exams. Whereas some other institutes select candidates with the help of design aptitude test and many institutes select candidate based on merit formed on the basis of marks obtained in the qualifying examination. So the admission process will depend upon the design institute you are concerning to get into. Some of the widely taken design entrance tests considered by most of the government and other reputed institutes and universities to provide admission to their B.Sc in Fashion Designing courses that you can take are National Institute of Fashion Technology Entrance Test, Army Institute of Fashion Design Test, Common Entrance Examination for Design Test, MIT Institute of Design GDP and PGDP admission, and Indian Institute of Crafts and Design entrance test, etc. Now you would like to know the syllabus of B.Sc Fashion Designing course. The 3 years full-time B.Sc Fashion Designing course has been divided into 6 semesters with a duration of 6 months each. In B.Sc Fashion Designing Semester 1, you will study subjects like anatomy, analytical drawing, apparel construction methods, basic photography, basic computer studies and color mixing. Whereas B.Sc Fashion Designing Semester 2 consists of subjects like creative jewelry, computer-aided design, current global fashion trends, draping, design process and elements of design. B.Sc Fashion Designing Semester 3 usually consists of subjects like elements of textiles, English communication, fashion history, fashion forecasting, fabric dyeing and printing, and fashion illustration and design. In B.Sc Fashion Designing Semester 4, you will study subjects like fashion studies, freehand drawing, grading, garment construction, geometrical construction and history of costumes. Whereas B.Sc Fashion Designing Semester 5 consists of subjects like Indian art appreciation, introduction to pattern making and garment construction, knitwear, leather designing, manufacturing technology and nature drawing. B.Sc Fashion Designing Semester 6 usually consists of subjects like photography, pattern making, perspective drawing, styling, surface development techniques and textile science. Now you would like to know about the fee structure of B.Sc Fashion Designing course. There is a huge difference between the fees for B.Sc Fashion Designing in government and private design institutes. If we talk about Government Design Institute, they charge somewhere between Rs 30,000 per year to Rs 50,000 per year for the course, whereas for the same course, the fee charged by reputed private institutes can be as high as Rs 1.5 lakhs to Rs 3 lakhs per annum. The fee structure may even vary between government as well as private design institutes. So it is always advisable to go through the latest admission notification before applying for any institute. So you can also visit our website, that is targetstudy.com, for insight of various details of the courses. Now let me tell you about some of the top B.Sc Fashion Designing institutes of India. If you are looking for some of the best government institutes, then you can go for Government Home Science College, Chandigarh, IK Gujral Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Batinda, National University of Fashion Technology, Delhi and Mumbai. And if you want to join some of the best private institutes, then you can go for Institute for Interior Fashion and Animation, Bangalore, AAFT School of Fashion Design, Noida, Amity University, Noida, Lovely Professional University, Jalandhar, Sharda University, Noida, and Symbiosis International University, Pune. Now let me tell you about the career prospects and job opportunities after B.Sc Fashion Designing course. After completing a B.Sc in Fashion Designing course, you will have several job opportunities and career prospects mostly in private sectors. In this sector, you can get employment in fashion houses, fashion media centers, retail brands, export houses, fashion show management agencies, jewelry, textile, leather and apparel manufacturing in designing units as fashion designer, costume, leather, jewelry or graphic designer, cutting assistant, raw material buyer, fashion consultant, fashion coordinator, fashion show organizer, quality control manager, outside sale representative, personal stylist, production pattern maker, technical designer and production manager, etc. Besides these options, you can also go for higher studies in the relevant field like MSc Fashion Design, MSc MA Fashion Designing and MDes Fashion Designing, etc. and find good opportunities in educational and research field. Some of the top recruiters that you can think of joining after completing your B.Sc Fashion Designing are: fresh graduates can start their careers by assisting famed fashion designers or joining big fashion houses and brands to gain experience such as Raymond, Snapdeal, Shoppers Shop, Proline, Pantaloon, Levis, and this list is endless for dedicated budding fashion designers. Now the most eagerly asked question, and that question is, What are the expected pay packages or salary after doing B.Sc Fashion Designing course? The average starting salary of a B.Sc Fashion Designing degree holder can vary somewhere between 3.6 to 4.5 lakhs annually. However, one who has relevant industry experience and skills can earn up to 6 to 12 lakhs annually. Mind you guys, the earning solely depends upon your creativity and acceptance of your designs by the public. Once you have established your name in the fashion industries, these earnings can simply increase beyond your imagination. So, I must say that a B.Sc Fashion Designing degree not only adds value to your qualification, but also expands the career scope and job opportunities. And if you have a passion for fashion and designing, you can pursue Bachelor of Science in Fashion Designing course and earn fortunes for yourself. That is all about B.Sc in Fashion Designing. I hope you liked this video. If it is really so, please hit the like button. For getting regular notification, please hit the bell icon. We'll be back with videos on such informative topics. Thank you for watching.